Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on number sentences worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice solving number sentences. The object here is to find the value of the symbol in each number sentence. Now if you're not sure what to do here, on the next slide there is a link. And if you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So let's briefly see what's involved here. In the first one, we have the square plus 5 equals 9. So basically we're asked to find this number here where this particular number, when you add 5 to it, gives you 9. Now there is a special, very straightforward operation involved using the 9 and the 5, and this plus sign gives you the clue as to what the operation is. Here we have a triangle. Take away 6 equals 8, so we have to find the value of the triangle. So a particular number, when you take 6 away from that number, you're left with 8. So this sign here gives you a clue as to what operation is involved between the 8 and the 6. And it's very similar here. 13 take away some number gives you 7. Coming here where the operation here is multiplication, 6 times a certain number gives you 30. The operation, which is multiplication, gives you a clue as to what operation we use with the 30 and the 6 to find the star. And here we have the sad face divided by 6 equals 9. So that sign there will give you a clue as to the operation involved with the 9 and the 6 to find the answer. This here is very similar. It's actually quite similar to number 4, except we've added a number. But the principles are the same. So we have 3 times a particular number, so that gives you an answer. Then when we add 4 to it, we get 22. Down here, we have a particular number which is squared. When I say a particular number, it could be one or more numbers. Gives us 49, so we have to work out what are those numbers that when we square them, we get 49. That's a plus 49. What about this one? We have a number that's cubed to give us 8. Cubed means you multiply the number by itself 3 times to give you 8. And finally, another number cubed gives you minus 64. This is a tricky one, so be careful. Some number, when you multiply it by itself 3 times, gives you minus 64. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice finding the value of the symbol in given number sentences.